Hello friends, today I would like to show you the function geometry, position, intersect segments with paths. See, I've forgotten to change the language. 1 second. Okay, here we are again. Geometry, position, intersect segments with paths. As a sample, I have a simple painting application. We have this door with this cutout, and we want to avoid overspray in this cutout. You can see the overspray here, and we want to reduce and avoid it. So we need some extra points here along the border of the cutout to turn on and off the paint gun. Okay, let's stop the simulation, set everything to home. What we need is a path that follows the outline of the cutout. We use new path, range on surface border. We select the surface border, and here it is. Accept. Here's our path. Next thing is we start the function position intersect segments with paths. Here we select the intersecting path, that is the border along the cutout, and we have a few options and one parameter. A parameter is the distance to the intersecting path where we would like to have the intersection points. 20 millimeters is quite nice. This interactive image here on the right shows what will happen if you change the values, where the intersection points will be placed. We would like to have the intersection points in the cutout. We press apply. Oh, sorry, we have forgotten to select our segments. So, okay, now we have our segments, and here are the intersections. With this border path, we delete it. We don't need it. Delete. Okay. Now we have to select all targets that go in the cutout and turn the signal off. To do this, we can do this manually, but more complex parts this could be difficult. So we can use the function select segments to select the intersections. The first intersection entering the cutout, the second leaving the cutout. We only need the first intersection. And at this point we turn off the paint gun. Can check this with a parameter visualization, and now you can see, okay, we will paint up to this position and turn the paint gun off, and here we turn the gun on again. Check the simulation. A little bit faster, please. And now you can see the overspray here is reduced, and here it is 0. That's the function position geometry. Geometry, position, intersect segments with paths. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Thank you and goodbye.